Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today another video to just give you a bit of motivation to carry on when you're selling on Zazzle, or when you're just thinking about starting with Zazzle, because June continues to be a really good month. Sales are continuing to come in, and I have today, which is the reason why I make this video, hit another milestone on Zazzle, and I've made 50 sales now. 50 sales, that was when I told myself I'm going to do another video, because it is just something that shows another milestone really. And from these $50 I've made from these 50 sales, they have made me $64 in royalties. As you can see, a large share of that is still in pending, but that just shows how much the sales have picked up, because it means that these sales have come in recently. They haven't been totally transacted, or they haven't been sent out, or they haven't passed the returns window yet, so they are still in pending. However, $64, that is good as well. It used to be quite much lower compared to the number of sales, but because I've increased my royalties, as you probably know, like a month ago on all my products, that has increased. Now, I've made the decision a while ago to increase my royalties to 15%. It was lower before. Now it's 15% for every product. But that was the case in, probably a month ago I changed it to 15. But all the existing products which are online, which are loads to be honest, I think I've got around 3,000 designs online on Zazzle now. So these 3,000, a lot of them were still at a lower royalty, but last month I changed all of them to 15% now as well. Now that should now increase, because today is the day, the 20th of the month, as you can see here, where they have changed the royalty of all my products to 15%. So what you can see here is that changes to your royalty percentage for existing products go into effect on the 20th of every month. They only do that once per month. I think they don't want to confuse people and customers. So they have done that from today, which means that from today, it will be very interesting if my sales are going to go down. Will they stay the same? Will they go up? My personal point of view currently is, and that's my assumption, I believe the number of sales will stay the same, maybe even increase a little bit, because I continue to upload. Every few days I do a batch of uploads, and possibly therefore the sales will go up. I don't think that increase in royalty will have a major impact on my sales, because the sales or the products that I've been uploading for the last 30 days, some of them have sold, and it just shows that because they uploaded them with 15%, so it shows 15% is totally fine. I might actually, if I don't see a negative impact on my sales, in the next 2 or 3 weeks, I will increase my royalties again to probably 17.5%. And then this will hopefully come into effect on the 20th of July. So unless I see a drop in sales now, I will probably do that. And the reason for that is I actually found a blog of someone who basically increased their royalties to 65%. Now what they say, they are selling much less than before, but every sale is now like $20 compared to like $3 before. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Probably not to 65%, but I could maybe go up to 25%. Maybe that's something I'm going to aim for, because in the end it needs to be worth it, and you want to make decent sales, and you want to get a decent royalty for that. Now, another milestone today was actually my best day on Zazzle as well. And you can see that here I've made 2 sales today. I think there were days before where I've made 3 sales, but today I've sold a hoodie for $460. I think that's a nice royalty. Plus then, and that was another t-shirt, I believe, for $152. So in total, roughly $6. And that is not bad compared to what I had before. I mean, if I scroll down here, you can see there are still some here for just 30 cents. And I believe that was, if I correctly remember, that was one that I uploaded previously that was still with a lower royalty. And also, the other issue was that this was, I think, just a greeting card. So, if we look at this page here, if you know a way that I can change royalties just for one product group, let me know, because I'd love to increase the royalty for all my greeting cards to to maybe something like 40-50% greeting cards and stickers. I haven't really sold stickers on Zazzle, but greeting cards I have, quite a few actually. I think they do pretty well on Zazzle, but it's just not worth it for $30. You know, honestly, it's not enough. So if you know how to do that, just change the royalties for one product group. That would be amazing. Now, what you can see here, royalties have come up, they've gone up. And if we have a look at how many sales I've actually made in June, looking at this is actually quite nice, I think. I mean, while we're here together, maybe I'm just gonna count that. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 sales already in June. Now, I can't really remember what I had in May. Let me quickly have a look. May was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need to go to the next page. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I need to deduct one because it was cancelled. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 overall in May. So I had 16 all in the whole month of May, and I've made 15 sales already in June, and I still have 10 working days left. So that is good sign. So I might actually reach the 20 sales. Maybe it will even go beyond the 20 sales for the month. And it just shows, it is really good. It shows I make more sales than before on Zazzle. My royalties are going up compared to the month before. So everything's good on Zazzle. My Z rank has increased last month. What I haven't really done, I haven't really still not completed all the other actions that I need to do on my shop, so that hopefully my Z rank will increase further in the future. I believe that has an impact on search results. Also, what I've done, I've increased my royalties. That's the other difference that I've made. And I believe I'm getting better on keywords and tagging, but that is across the board for all print-on-demand websites. That is not just for Zazzle. I don't have specific tags for Zazzle. I do all my tags for all the websites that I upload to. They are always the same. Otherwise, it would just be a bit too much work for me. I try to systemize this process. So all the tags that I do for Spreadshirt are the same tags that I upload for Zazzle and everything. All right, so yeah, hopefully that motivates you a little bit. Just carry on. To be honest, the 3,000 designs that I have uploaded, that is not that much. There are people out there who've got, I don't know, they've got 10,000 designs online or whatever, maybe 20,000. And if you think about people who've got like 100,000 products on Amazon Merch or 200,000, this is what I want to compare myself against. There's no point. I mean, I oftentimes get these messages that I've got too many designs online or a lot, but yeah, that's true. But I think with just 500 or 1,000 designs, you won't make a lot of sales. And eventually you want to make decent sales, so you need to upload designs. You need to find a way to make them quickly. And I believe that's one valid strategy in print on demand. When I learned about print on demand first, I mean, the YouTube videos I watched, they were always talking about you need to have at least 1,000 decent designs, and that is when you start to make some money. And I'm maybe here on Zazzle, I'm at around 3,000. Redbubble is a bit more now because on Zazzle the upload process takes a bit longer. But there's no reason why you wouldn't aim for much, much more. So the more you upload, the more sales you'll make. So what I'm doing here, in my opinion, if I do just more of that, I will make more and more sales. So why would I not just repeat what I'm doing now, carry on, maybe increase royalties a bit, optimize the process, but just carry on with, because why would you stop doing something that is working? Of course, I mean, it's also difficult to say, because if people ask me, how many designs do you have online? If I was probably starting now with print on demand, 7 months after I started originally, and I would open a new shop, I would probably need less designs online than I've got now, because I know basically how it works. But probably for the first 2 or 3 months, I uploaded designs which, which weren't that good, which weren't that optimized, where the keywords might not have been perfect. And I'm not the person who would go back into all these products and change them. No, I don't do that because I'm short on time. So I would just upload new designs, and all the designs that are already online, they would just stay online. So, if I would just be starting now with new and better designs, maybe I would need only, 1,500 designs to make the same number of sales. But of course, if you're just starting with print on demand, you're very new. And to be honest, 7 months in, I don't consider myself an expert. I'm still learning, which is why I document this journey. And, I'm still learning. So my designs aren't perfect, and I know that, but they are selling. So that's what makes me happy, and that hopefully shows you as well that even with comparably little experience, you can make some nice passive income, which actually pays some bills as well, because this is only on one of the print on demand websites, Spreadshirt. I'm just waiting for my tier up to the Star Class 4. Hopefully that will come next week or this week. And that's everything I wanted to talk about today, really. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.